It's all good. We're looking for the place where we must get wet with our raincoats. I think it's somewhere as you go down, yeah? As you go down, yeah? As you go down, look at Tristan. 0.9. Can't really see anything here, but over there, you just see like mist. As you go lower, you see that look like a smoke thing, like a water mist. Okay, we're going to 0.10. You don't see much here because the mist is too much. Can't see nothing. Let go, let go.
Bones empty.
This just feels like we're hiking. So I want to see why people are getting so wet. Maybe we are just not getting in closer to the big falls. But everybody is. Hello. So let's see how far we're gonna get. This is like a hiking thing. We're going up and down and stuff. How many kilometers have we walked so far?
3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0.10. Per point is a kilometer. I'm joking, I'm joking. It's not. Okay, this is where you get wet, I guess. This is where I must hide my camera. Yeah. Oh, look there. Let's see. Woo! Okay, this is 0.12. Livingstone Island.
Ah, yes.
This is how we get wet and hot. Hot and wet. Let's see how we can get wet here. Just spray yourself. If my camera gets wet, I'm gonna cry. Woo! Woo! Okay, sorry, I had to hide you guys because okay, now I know why people get wet, because as soon as you stand there, then the whole water, hello, whole water splashes on you. You get wet and then you get dry very easily because it's so hot. Horseshoe Fall. Let's see how far this thing. Ooh, it's all the way there. Wow! Okay. Wait. Quick, quick, quick. Be careful, yeah? Woo! Okay. This is how it looks like. My camera! Oh, it's wet. I don't know, I think you guys are
Hello.
Oh my gosh, this side is like the wet zone, the deep zone, the under zone, the zone. So we went that side and everybody's wet. Look at this. The raincoat doesn't help. That is just wetness overload. This is the end of the big falls. Yeah. That's it, guys. My foot is soaking wet.
That's why I brought
My shoes are wet, wet, wet. This is the end of big falls. Dada is all wet. I think everybody is going that side, getting ready to get soaked. Everybody's got a raincoat and umbrella because once you get there, you're wet. That's it. How was it, Dada? Too much? My shoes are wet like crazy. Look at Dada.
It is just too much.
Look at it.
Look, they tried.
Huh? Yeah, look at Tristan. Tristan, you wet. My foot. Yeah, the raincoat from the top works, but otherwise, there's no way that you're gonna go there without getting wet. Unless you're all waterproof. My whole hair is wet. How was it, guys?
It was nice. It was wet. It was too wet.
Like as if the storm has hit you. Like, poof, all over. Okay, guys. That was a great experience.
It was excellent.
Everybody got wet.
Oh, too wet.
That is from Victoria Falls, guys. Okay, guys, we just finished the whole Vic Falls thing, and my shoes are wet. Where is it? I just took off my socks now because the shoes are so wet. But let's see how this place looks. I'm walking with the wet shoe. I feel like a wet chicken. Why are you waving your socks around? While we're waiting for our food, let's go and check how this place looks like. We just finished eating now. I just feel like sleeping. What's up, Dada?
Tired.
Our shoes are all wet, and it's if you put it back on, it's gonna be so icky. I'm gonna sleep in the car. Dada's gonna have to drive back.
Hello, I'm wet.
He's tired.
I'm wetty. I'm drying the wet smell.
Okay, so we're going back to Nambia. How's your burger?
Tasty.
Beautiful.
Look at it.
Where's your burger?
That's bacon.
Hey, the burger's here.
Finally.
Finally, the burger. The
That
burger
I'm
looks
lucky. Maybe.
The burger looks nice.
Can I maybe just get a fork? My brother today.
Dada always has issues with
Why
food.
it's cooking?
It's okay, man. He is amazed by seeing.
Dada, you
Thank you,
always
brother.
have this issue with food. I think.
It's okay. We will put him on YouTube.
But the burger looks nice, yeah. It tastes nice too.
Beautiful, brother. Beautiful.
Oh, Dada and this food. So Tristan is gonna eat the gherkin. Let's see how it.
It needs to be.
Now where is the face? So Annie's busy drying out our shoe. Annie,
Yeah.
are you busy drying our shoes?
Yeah.
Will it help?
I think so.
You think so?
Yep.
Okay.
I don't know.
That's from the waterfalls. Our shoes are soaking wet. And Ellie's trying to salvage it. Look guys, there's elephant on the road. They are crossing the road.
Slow down.
Go straight. Ah, elefante.
So that's some smaller Asian elephants.
No, that's an African elephant, but that's a baby. Guys, there's elephants. Look there, guys. We have elephants walking. The whole elephant herd.
Elephants.
Wild elephants.
Not in a zoo, not in a nature reserve.
Just there. Very wild. Going back.
African elephants.
That. Those are African
Can a bunch
elephants.
of lions take down an elephant? Yes.
Elefantes.
Off, or... Why don't you take your other lanes and see?
Hey, look at these guys. The elephants. Oh.
They're walking away now.
Yeah, they're walking away. Bye.